Good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovation. Back at the barn project. Isaiah and Macario got a soffit and boxing ran. Huge improvement, new trim metal. Jose built us a nice shed roof. Those are temporaries. But got the metal put on, keep some water out of this entrance. This barn is basically built below grade, so we're trying to do everything we can to keep water from coming in. We're going to be putting a shed roof over this bare concrete area. That'll continue to help water getting away from the building. Got our super nice power ventilator put up there. It's like a 5500 CFM vent fan with auto close shutters. Keep things really nice in there. Putting on some mastic, 7-inch board and batten, rugged canyon. Really nice looking product from mastic. And this is it installed. Everything looking exactly the way it should. Big shout out to Mike's Garage Doors. Got us some really nice insulated roll-up doors. Use some geocell clear, sealed all our J channel to the bottom, prevent water from coming in. Nice 16-foot door here. So the goal is over the next couple of days, get this sided. Then we're going to proceed into the shed roof, and we'll be in on the inside. And this project will be on the way to being finished. So if you need quality siding work of any kind, vinyl, fiber cement, metal, please give us a call, 478-501-0102, and we'll make it easy for you. Thank you for watching.